Hello and welcome, it's Jelly Cube here. I'm on the Sunshine Coast. I've got a canvas that I've painted on a few times and was not happy with it. So I've got this madcap idea that I'm going to try, which I haven't done it this way before. I've got a new canvas here and it's still wrapped in its wrapping, and it's got some kind of, I think I must have had a resin or something drip on it. It's like bubbles, and I thought I might try dipping this old grotty canvas, because I don't really well, it's not very nice on this new canvas, but while it's covered, to see what kind of effect I'll get. So I've never done it before, and you know, in for a penny, in for a pound, give it a go. So this is going to be kind of a wild and whoppy one. First of all, I do want to just go over my canvas with white, just on the very edges maybe. I mean, it's pretty grotty, so I don't even know whether this is going to really cover anything. It probably really should be thrown out now, but if it's for a test to see if the piece works, this particular technique works, then we'll give it a go, hey? I probably won't worry about the sides, because I'm going to see if the actual canvas comes out nice, and then I can, if it comes out super duper and I save this grotty canvas, then I'll just paint the sides afterwards. So there's no no rule against that. So we're going to see what these are 50 by 55 canvases, so they're a decent size, they're not too small. I'm going to move that out of the way for a second or two, move it over there, and then I'm going to bring my other canvas. So I'm not intending on getting, I'm just intending on putting it on top of this plastic bubble, so it's like dipping on bubble wrap, because I've got this bubbly effect already there. So I'm not going to worry about the outside of this particular bit. Now, for these dips, it's better if you've got your paint thick. That's too thin, so I'm not going to use that particular colour. That one is nice and thick, so I'm going to maybe do a bit of a different shape than I would normally do when I do these kind of dips, and we'll see if it turns into some weird and wonderful creature. Maybe not, but you've got to be in it to win it. You've got to try, haven't you? So this is kind of a purpley blue that I was mixing earlier for a previous piece. So I'm going to do some kind of crazy leg outs here. It's like, is it Jackson Pollock when I think I've got, jeez Louise, I've got a rip in my canvas, so a bit of it will end up on the canvas. But anyway, not to worry, absolutely don't worry. Rightio, I'm going to put some gold in here. This is actually 50% gold, 50% metallic copper. You'll probably say, what is she thinking of? But you've got to try, and if I don't succeed, at least then you guys know, no, I'm not going to try that one. Sort of always come when you do these kind of V's, when you do these dips, they seem to create a really wonderful pattern in there. So I might use some of my purple. Oh, I've got everything going on here. My sister has just left she was with me for 6 weeks from the UK and just left last night, so she hasn't even, should I say, arrived back at her destination yet, but it certainly was lovely having my sister, because she's so helpful. She's not a guest that comes here and expects to be waited on. She helps me. I've got cleaning to do, she cleans. Even if I haven't got cleaning to do, she cleans. She helps cook. She's one of those guests that you want to have because she's so helpful. There was a couple of times, you know, that John and I weren't well, and she was so good to have around. But anyway, she's gone back now, so it's a bit sad. I feel a bit sad. Rightio, I'm going to put some white in here. This is a really weird and wacky composition. And then I might to just really make this pop. Is this really bright reddy orange? I think is it warm red? Warm red. I'm really hoping. Well, this technique works really well if you're doing it on a bubble wrap dip. You know, it kind of gives a really nice textured look, I guess, is what. So we're going to see with the one I just put that top coat on now. We'll turn it over. Look how grotty it is. So that's why I'm not worried if it doesn't succeed, because look how grotty it is. I would not sell the canvas, no way. It's literally been a test piece for me, trying different things this last day or so, and each thing I've not particularly liked. You know, you're always in search of doing something that looks a little bit different than you've done. Oh, I haven't put gloves on and get it all over myself, but you know, that's okay. That's all part of the fun, I guess. The fun and therapy. So you just sort of making sure your paint spreads out. Rightio. And you know what, I've got a gut feeling about this, that because it is on a crabby canvas, it's going to turn out to be something really nice. So let's hope, hope, said the Pope, that it's nice. Maybe I should turn it over. That might be easier to take off. I can't press that side. Anyway, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is a beauty. That is a beauty. Wow. The colours together, aren't they super duper? See, now if I'd have done it on the other canvas as well, I could have had like a butterfly effect, couldn't I? That is so lovely. Really lovely. Oh. What am I doing? I can't even do anything with that one because it's on the plastic wrap. I guess I could use it to dip. How have I got I've got a little MDF. Got an MDF, so I might dip it on this so as I don't waste any paint, I guess. Oh gosh, now I'm going to get myself in a fiddle here because I've got no place to put that the dip one. Let's squidge it. This will make nice placemats on MDF, and if they're resined, if it comes out nice. Oh, it's got some missing bits. But I guess what you can do, again, is using the paint from this, is and you could still take high definition photos of any part you like on the bit that is basically throwaway, and you can then use them for prints. For sure. So just giving that balloon kiss in the area that's got no paint. That's why the little granddaughter arrived. She's 2 and we have her for 4 days while her parents are at a wedding in Melbourne. So I will be doing some finger painting, I guess, with little Penny. Something that she'll enjoy. Or even this dip technique is really good to do with kids. Look at that. Once that is resined, that will be beautiful. It's okay, Benson. And your granddaughter. Wow. Even those. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Love it, love it. I better get a little mat. Put my board on, so there you go. I'm going to bring you down to have a look at that. It's colours, beautiful. Okay, super duper happy with this. Yes, I did a few sneaky little balloon kisses, and look at them. The colours. I just put the balloon kisses down this end where I had the blank spot. This style would look super doing as a Indian headdress, I guess. Indian crown of some description. The colours are really vibrant, really pop your socks off. Super happy with this one. Do hope that you like it, because I'm very happy with it. My board that I dipped on, look, I could absolutely resin that and become a trivet or a placemat. It's gorgeous. It's just the dips off that. And of course this is the one that's got the plastic, so I think I'm going to let it dry and see if I can peel the skin off the plastic. Not that I use skins. Oh, that's gorgeous. See, that is so nice as high definition photos using whichever one you want for prints. Yeah, not that I use the skins. I just have not got the time to do kind of jewellery and everything as well as what people do with the skins, but that's quite gorgeous. Very, very happy with that. So my lovelies, there you go. I tried it, super happy with the colours, and I hope you guys like it. So have a wonderful week, and please be back tomorrow, and take care. Bye for now.